Hi friends, welcome to the Drink of the Month Club. Also want to wish you all a Happy New Year if I haven't already. It's January, which means that a lot of people are going away and posting on social media and making us all jealous. And it just got me thinking about what kind of drinks I like to have when it's hot and sunny outside. Well, one of my favorites, I have a few, but one of my ultimate favorites is the classic gin and tonic. But today we're going to do something a little different. So this month, the feature is a limoncello and gin fizz. So this is a very simple drink to make, not a lot of ingredients. We've got limoncello, your gin of choice, sparkling water or club soda, fresh limes, and honey. So I've already got the ice in my shaker. We're gonna put some fresh lime juice. I put one whole one, but you can put half depending on how much you like your lime. An ounce of limoncello, 2 ounces of gin, some honey, or you can use sugar, or you can use simple syrup, whatever's easier for you. And we are going to shake it up. And then it's good to go. We're using our Cosmo Glass, but you can pour it into a old fashioned, and then you're just gonna top it up with your liquid of choice. And now it's time to taste. Delicious, fresh. Perfect for the summer. Cheers, and keep in mind, everything we used, we rent, so whenever you need glasses or shakers or inspiration, D&D Party Rentals. Ciao. That's good. Strong?
A little bit, but it's good.
It's all alcohol.
It's good. Perfect.